So in this video, I'm going to show you my March results using our fully automated trading system, Q-Zeus, in a live cash account trading MNQ. I'll also showcase how hundreds of other clients are using this exact same algorithm and some of our others to pull big payouts from prop firms and score big P&Ls on their cash accounts. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mike Santucci. I'm the founder and CEO of QuantVue. We are the largest and fastest growing futures trading community for automated systems. Let's get into it. Okay, so I've got my TradeAbate pulled up here. As you can see, live account. This is not a prop account. This is my live cash account. Here on the left, I've got a report. Pull this up. This was just from today using Q-Zeus. Had a tough loser here to start on the day, down a good chunk, but we did end up storming back for a nice $36 profit there to bring us back in the green. If I bring this report back over, we could go over the month of March here in my cash account. As you can see, all trades, total P&L, $2,500. This is fully automated using our Q-Zeus algorithm. Now, Q-Zeus, this is an ATS program only algorithm. This is not part of our pro or elite plans. This is only available on the ATS. I just so happen to use it into a cash account. However, most of our ATS clients use it into prop. So in the month of March, we had a nice $8,000 in profitable trades with $5,400 in losing trades. A few of these losers were by my own mistake, to be quite honest. I had a few days where I was, for example, today, accidentally running it during red folder news. Happens to the best of us. Usually I like to maybe pause the algorithm for 5, 10, 15 minutes until after that red folder news processed. So there's a few probably losers that honestly could have been avoided, but nonetheless, this is $2,500 fully automated using just MNQs. You do not need a huge account with, 5, 10 NQ contracts, nothing crazy, just a modest account trading MNQ. So very prop firm friendly, very cash account friendly in my case. I use this every single day. I trade Q-Zeus daily into my cash account. So we've got, what is this, a 71% win rate with a 28% lose, but ultimately coming out on top with $2,500 in profit. And then what I'll do is I'll pull up the Q-Zeus algorithm here on TradingView. So as you can see, this was this morning. We took a really tough loser right before red folder news. Should have had the algorithm off, would have had a very, very green day today. Probably up about $1,600. Instead, we're only up about 36, basically break even, but we live to fight another day. And that's the power of Q-Zeus. You might take some losers off the chin, but this thing usually, for the most part, will storm back. Yesterday had a nice winner there, but if I go to the strategy tester, what I always like to see is how this thing performs on a 2-year. Let's change this to 2 years. Now this TradingView backtester, the way Zeus is built and the way we have it structured with order fills and filling on candle close using the historical data, this will largely be just about what you get here on Q-Zeus, whatever this backtester. Obviously, there's going to be slight variation with some slippage and commissions, but the cool thing about Zeus is it's not a super fast, high frequency type algorithm. It's going to take more drawn out moves. So even if you've got a few points of slippage, it's not going to make a huge deal to the equity curve because it's looking to take those 70, 80, 150 point moves. So as you can see, this blue line is if you just bought and hold the NQ, obviously pretty flat. And then over the course of 2 years, this is using, what is this, starting point, $15,000 would have turned into, what is that, $90,000 in 2 years? Not bad. Obviously, this does not indicate any future result. Nothing I show here. Don't expect to buy this algorithm and, oh, hey, why am I not making what you're making? That is not what we're trying to do here. I'm simply trying to showcase what this algorithm is doing for me and our client. So very, very nice, healthy drawdown of 17%, 74% profitability there on just 380 trades. Like I said, this thing barely takes trades. I like Zeus because it's going to take those real precise sniper entries. As you can see, there's days where it just doesn't trade. It might trade once a week. So this is just one of our algorithms. Another algorithm I'm very excited about to begin throwing into a live cash account is our Chronos Evo version 1.4. This is also an ATS exclusive algorithm. And this configuration is specifically built for the 1 minute ES chart, which I'm most excited about. It's going to let our traders also have a setup for ES. I know a lot of our algorithms are built for NQ, MNQ, but They work on just about any futures market. They are built for futures. This configuration I am very excited about. If I pull up the NinjaTrader chart here, show you these are just some of the executions. This is just being demo tested right now. As you can see, taking some nice entries. It's going to look for the longer moves, but it's also, if we zoom in here, it's going to cut these losers real quick, and it's going to trail these take profit levels. So it's going to look for this type of move where, okay, you might get chopped up in here, but you easily make it up and some here on a move like that. And if I pull in, this is just a demo. This was just from today using the new Chronos Evo configuration, $4,700 on the day, which is awesome to see. Obviously, this is just demo, so very excited to get this into a cash account. Probably going to demo test for a few weeks here, a few more weeks. I've been testing this for a few weeks already, and then I'll probably throw it onto a cash account to be traded live. If I pull up the profits and wins channel here in our Discord, this is my favorite channel. My favorite part about being the CEO of QuantVue is seeing this channel on a daily basis. There are quite literally, and we've got to get an accurate tally, but we have easily crossed 7 figures in payouts. And I believe we've already crossed multiple 6 figures this year alone in client payouts. Here's one. I mean, as we're recording here a couple hours ago, $5,400 payout. This is an ATS client using a couple different setups here. I mean, that is just insane. Look at this, 100% ATS automation for a $6,000 payout. That basically covers the cost of the ATS, just under the cost of the ATS in one payout. That is the power of our algorithms, and that is the power of our automated trading suite, the ATS. You can go in this, I'll link this in the description. You'll be scrolling for quite literally hours, maybe even days. There are thousands and thousands of payouts and P&Ls. Here's another one from the other day. We've got one here. If I can find it, it was just posted. Look at this, $20,000 payout from one of our ATS clients. I mean, come on, scroll this for yourself. We have nothing to hide. Look, you could try all of our systems risk-free for 30 days. If you're not satisfied within those 30 days, just cancel, request a refund. We don't want to make you pay for something that you are not fully satisfied with. If you want access to the Q-Zeus and Q-Chronos algorithms, these two algorithms here, Zeus and Q-Chronos Evo, that is available on our ATS program only. That will also be linked in the description. We are now offering free demo calls for the ATS. We are growing like crazy, and you guys have been buying up that ATS, and you guys have been basically, so if you want to see the ATS in action for yourself before purchasing, we offer a free demo call. That will also be linked in the description. But yeah, just wanted to showcase the March results. If I go back here, plus $2,500 fully automated into my cash account. And yeah, links in the description if you want to try all of these systems for yourself. Join the community. Discord is absolutely free. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.